Good morning, students. Welcome back to the English class. Today, we are going to learn the lesson When Instinct Works. What do you mean by instinct? Instinct means உள்ளுணர்வு. That means if something is going to happen, before human beings can recognize, the animals can recognize faster. That only is called instinct. Suppose in any disaster occurs, these animals can know before the humans can understand. Okay, student, that only is called instinct. Okay, students, now do you have a pet at home? Or do you like to keep horse as a pet in your house? Okay, but before, in olden days, in the First World War, horses were used for battle. Nowadays, the people are using the horses for races. Okay, students, now we are going to learn the lesson about a horse named Black Beauty, written by Anna Sewell. Now we will see about the author. Anna Sewell, from the year 1820 to 1878, was born to a Quaker family of East England. She was an English novelist. At the age of 14, she sustained an injury and was for the rest of her life unable to walk or stand for any significant period of time. Instead, she had to walk with the assistance of a crutch. In a great situation, she took a great loving to horses, driving them or riding them whenever she could. Horse riding enabled her to remain active and travel about despite her injury. Due to a strong love of horses and the long amounts of time she spent riding, Sewell became quite sensitive to the horse behavior and nature. Anna Sewell wrote Black Beauty in 1877. It was to be her first and only book. She is best known as the author of the 1877 novel Black Beauty, one of the top 10 best-selling novels for children ever written. She died at the age of 58. Now students, shall we go to the lesson? Yes, come on. When instinct works. This lesson is about the special knowledge given to animals by God. The instinct in animals had saved the lives of men. One morning, late in the autumn, the weather was very windy and the dry leaves blew across the road. There had been a great deal of rain. John harnessed means tied the horse to a cart using strips of leather and metal fittings. Black Beauty, the horse, to the new cart. The master, John, and Black Beauty proceeded on a long journey. When they came to the entrance of the toll gate, what is the toll gate, students? Toll gate means it's a place where the travelers have to stop and pay. When the entrance of the toll gate, the man at the toll gate told them that the river was rising fast and also the bridge was broken in the middle part of it, had been carried away by the flood. If they proceeded further, they will be drowned in the river. Suddenly, an oak tree came crashing down in front of them. The river was flooding and it grew darker. The moment Black Beauty's feet touched the ground, which was the first part of the bridge, the horse sensed something was wrong and also sensed the danger. So it was reluctant to cross the bridge. The horse, Black Beauty, made a dead stop. John whipped the horse to move, but the horse did not go forward. The man at the other end of the toll gate flashed a torch and said that the bridge was broken in the middle. John praised Black Beauty for saving their lives. If the horse had not been wiser, they would have been drowned. John gave a good supper and a thick bed of straw to the horse. Black Beauty was grateful for everything. John thought many people did not take very good care of their animals or make friends with them as they should do. According to John, such attitude of human should be changed. Master told John that God had given animals a special knowledge and quicker to respond to danger. This instinct in animals, the master continued, had often saved the lives of men. John had many stories to tell of dogs and horses and the wonderful ways the animals had saved the lives of people. So, dear students, be kind to your pets. Take care of your pet animals or birds by providing it with a protected and clean living environment. Always keep fresh water and quality food for your pet. Communicate with it and develop a relationship with it. Keep your pets healthy by taking them for a walk every morning and evening. Always love the nature and take care of it. Thank you, students.